Today I'm gonna make the most amazing blackened turkey lettuce wraps with chili garlic smashed pickles. I absolutely love these. They have a perfect balance of sweet, sour, spicy with some great crunchy texture as well. So if you're looking for a healthy and incredibly tasty recipe, you're definitely gonna wanna stick around for this one. So hang out with me for a bit and let's get into it. The first thing that I'm gonna do is start preparing our smashed pickles. And what I'm gonna do here is just snip the ends off, and then we're just gonna take this and we're gonna cut it in half. Then what I'm gonna do is just take all the seeds out of the cucumber, and I just do it on a paper towel. Just makes it a little bit easier to clean up when we're done. And then I just wanna take the back of my knife and just very gently smash down the cucumber, and just until it breaks. And what we're really looking to do here is just to expose some of the flesh on the cucumbers, and that's really gonna help absorb our dressing that we're gonna make in a little bit. Take the cucumber, cut it in half, and then at this point you can cut it into any shape or size that you want. I wanna cut them a little bit thinner because I think these are gonna be the perfect size for these lettuce wraps. So I finished cutting all of the cucumbers, and now what I want to do is just sprinkle them with a little bit of salt. And the salt is going to help to extract or exude some of the moisture from the cucumbers. And then all we want to do is just toss the cucumbers around with the salt, move them into a strainer, and then we'll just put them back in the bowl. Cover them with a few small plates, and these plates will help weigh down the cucumbers and just push out some of that moisture. I'll take these guys, pop them in the fridge for about 30 minutes, up to an hour. You can even let them go longer. So for our dressing, I have a bowl. I'm gonna add in some rice wine vinegar. And that's about, I don't know, 4 or 5 tablespoons. Sesame oil, some soy sauce. And this is a dark soy sauce. And that was, I don't know, about 2 or 3 tablespoons. Some chili flakes, and you can add as many as you'd like depending on how spicy you like it. Obviously I like it pretty spicy. We'll add in some sugar, and I'll have the full recipe in the description of the video. Finely sliced onion, some sliced banana peppers, and these are just some yellow banana peppers that I found in the store, but you can use jalapenos. You can omit the peppers entirely if you'd like. And then I have some garlic and ginger. And then what I want to do is pour some hot oil over the ingredients, and we'll just give it a quick stir. And what the hot oil will do is help to slightly, cook some of the garlic, the ginger, help melt the sugar that we put in, and just really bring this entire dressing together. So after about an hour, I took the cucumbers out of the fridge, and we're just gonna add those into our dressing. Give them a quick toss. Oh man, these just look awesome already. Then to finish our pickles, I'm just gonna take a little bit of fresh cilantro and just give this a rough chop. We'll add that into our pickles, and then we'll just give these one final toss. All right, so now we're gonna start making our blackened turkey. All right, so in the bowl here, I have some ground turkey, and you can very easily substitute this for ground chicken, ground beef, ground pork, whatever you'd like. And then I just went ahead and made a little blackening seasoning. So in here, I have some smoked paprika, some oregano, chili powder, cayenne, cumin, and some black pepper. I mean, you can adjust the spiciness, you can omit the cayenne if you'd like. Really just be creative and use your own spices. So we're gonna add that in and give this a quick toss. To a hot saute pan, I'm gonna add in some olive oil, and then we're gonna take our seasoned ground turkey, add that in. And we just wanna create a nice even layer so this turkey browns really nicely. Oh, I wanna add in some chopped onion, some garlic, Move that around a little bit. So after about 6-7 minutes of browning our turkey, and now what I'm gonna do is we're gonna add in some black beans. And I just use some canned black beans. Then I have a little bit of hoisin. And finally, a touch of soy. And there we have our blackened turkey with the black beans, and it just looks and smells absolutely amazing. You just gotta trust me, this is gonna be so incredibly good. All right guys, well there we have it. We have our blackened turkey filling, our smashed pickles, and then what I'm using is just some butter, some bib lettuce, but you can use iceberg, you can use romaine, whatever you can get at your store. I have to try one of these because they look so darn good. I'm gonna put a little bit of that blackened turkey, some pickles. I have some cilantro leaves, and then finally, just some sesame seeds. All right, I'm gonna give it a shot. That is crazy good. The blackened turkey is nice and spicy. The black beans add some tenderness to it. And then you get that crispiness, not only from the pickles, but from the butter lettuce, and the sweet, sour, and spicy all come together. These are absolutely awesome. You have to give them a shot. Hey guys, I truly hope you enjoyed today's recipe. If you did, please consider subscribing, leave me a comment below, hit the notification bell for my upcoming videos. Thank you so much for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one.